Did Google suspend your business profile? Here's what you need to do right now. First, read that suspension notice carefully. Second step, fix the problem. And third step, submit for reinstatement. Before you go too fast, slow down, take a breath, because you want to get this right. I'm Gail with MapYourBiz, and I can guide you through the steps so that you're successful the first time. So if you're here, you know that feeling when you open Google Maps and your business is just gone. Not ranking lower, just completely gone. Like somebody erased you from the map, because that's pretty much what they did. So that's a Google business profile suspension. And if it's happened to you, I know exactly what that panic feels like. But here's the good news: most suspensions are fixable. And I'm going to walk you through what to do right now first. So Google suspends profiles for a few common reasons. The big one: multiple listings for the same business. Maybe you moved, maybe you changed your name, maybe you just didn't realize that there was an old one floating around out there and you made a new one. Google sees that and they think something's not right here. So, another common reason is that you stuffed some keywords into your business name. So, if your legal name is Smith Plumbing, but you listed yourself as Smith Plumbing, best emergency plumber near me, 24-hour service. Yeah, Google's not having that. They're going to flag it and they'll probably suspend you. And the third big one are address issues. If you're a service area business, you're working out of your home and you've listed a virtual office or a PO box as your address, that's not going to work for Google. They want to know where you actually operate from. Okay, so now you know why it happened, but the clock is ticking. Every day your profile is down, you're losing phone calls. So let's fix it. So, step one, beyond the taking a deep breath, read that suspension notice very carefully. Don't just start clicking buttons. Google usually tells you what the specific issue is. It'll come in an email or it'll show up right on your Google Business Profile dashboard. So read it, because the fix depends on what went wrong. So, step two, fix the actual problem before you appeal. This is where most people mess up. They appeal without fixing anything first. So that's like showing up to a reinspection with the same broken tail light. Or if you're in construction, that's like getting a nailing inspection without putting any extra nails in when you failed the first time. Google is going to reject you again. So if it's a duplicate, go delete or merge the old listing, and that may take a few days. If it's keyword stuffing, change your business name back to your actual legal name. If it's the address, update it to your real home address and then set your service area separately. You've got to fix it before you appeal. Okay, so now we're getting on to the appeal part. This is step three. So you submit your reinstatement request. So once you've cleaned everything up, you go to Google Business Profile Help Center and submit your appeal. Be very specific, say what the problem was, what you fixed, and that you've read the guidelines. Short and clear. Don't write a novel. Google doesn't need your life story, but they need to see that you understand the rule and you've corrected it. So here's the thing. The best fix is not getting suspended in the first place. But if it's already happened to you, then you need to fix that. So to not get suspended, here are a couple of quick rules. One business, one listing, your real business name, not a marketing headline, your real address, and if you're a service area business, set your service area, no more than 20 zip codes. And really, it should be realistic. If you really only serve 2 zip codes, then list 2 zip codes. Don't try to game the address. Google's getting smarter every day and they're cracking down. So keep it clean and you'll stay on the map. Suspended profile doesn't have to be a disaster. Most of the time it's fixable. You just have to do it the right way. Fix the problem first, then appeal. That's the formula. So if your profile is suspended right now and you're not sure where to start, drop a comment below and I'll walk you through it. I read every single comment. And if you want a free audit of your whole Google business profile, not just the suspension stuff, everything, let me know. I'm Gail with Map Your Biz. You don't want that guy down the street getting your jobs. You want to be getting those jobs. See you next time.